Hey, Scott.
Stiles, what are you doing here? It's like 6 o'clock in the morning.
We gotta go to school soon. It's so dark in here. I can't see. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Come on, Scott. Early bird gets the worm.
Alright, Stiles, look. Stiles! God, Stiles, you make me so mad sometimes. I can't take it.
Come on, let's go to school.
I can't. Allison's picking me up. She's driving me. Sorry.
Can't do it. You broke my arm.
Stiles, I'm sorry. I thought you were Jackson. Alright, let's go. Yes, Derek, hurry. I need to talk to you. Bye. What do you want, Matt?
Smile for the yearbook.
I don't have time for this. Scott! Scared me, Stiles. God.
Sorry.
So, what's up?
Not much. My arm still hurts.
Here, let me hold it then. There's nothing even in here. Wait, my bag. I left it at school. Let's go get it. Come on. Oh no, it's gone.
Who do you think took it?
I don't know. Wait, it could have been Matt.
The guy that banged your girlfriend?
What?
Nothing.
All right, come on. Let's go back to my house. Come on, Stiles, let's go.
Scott, remember, I'm not a werewolf.
Oh, stuck. I really need my bag back. Stiles, hurry up. Stiles, come on. Why do you have to climb through my window every single episode?
So you think Matt will give you your bag back?
I don't know, hopefully. What was that? Sounds like it was coming from over there. Let's go. Be careful. Oh my god. It came.
Ew, Scott, you're gross.
What? What are you talking about?
Are you jacking off on the windows?
No, look, it's from the Canema, okay? Don't touch that. Stiles, you can't touch that.
Why not?
Because it paralyzed you, remember?
Oh shit.
Stiles, are you okay?
Yeah.
Wait here, Stiles. I'll be right back. I wonder where it is. It's weird. I wonder where it is. Not now, Stiles. Wait a minute. If Stiles is over there, then who could be over there? I'll get it. Matt?
Yeah, I took your bag by accident.
Oh, thanks. Just come on in, douche.
Oh, hi, Stiles.
Look, Matt, I wasn't inviting you into my house. I think you should leave now.
Wait, why are you kicking him out? Because he banged your girlfriend?
What?
Hi.
How's it going?
Stiles.
What?
There's something really weird about Matt.
Yeah, he is pretty fucked up.
So do you think he's controlling the Canema?
What's that?
The motherfucking lizard. It's Jackson, remember?
Okay, douche, what should we do about it?
Shit, I think he heard us.
So Matt, control any creatures, lizards, maybe?
Stiles!
Yes. Come on, Jackson. Our next victim is Channing Tatum.
Channing Tatum?
Hello, is someone here? Guys, I'm changing.
Ew, what is this?
Stiles, not again.
Oh, that was amazing, Jackson.
Hurry, hide.